Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. On the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the color, and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture, and then change the background, select the color option, adjust the color of shape, adjust the color, save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the shape, select the to back option, to back the stand, select the shape option, adjust the shape, change the color option, adjust the color, select the opacity option, effect shadow, and copy the shape, select the copy option. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.